How about a little cartography action? So where I left off, I was here in Lillooet. This is where I had A&W twice. And then I biked down ding, 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 to the town of Lytton. The slightly charred town of Lytton. And then I biked to Spence's Bridge, where I took that cool leaning my bike against a church shot. And then this is where the Ninja Turtle got its makeover. And then this is where I stayed in Merritt with the Warm Showers hosts, Sheila and Al. I actually didn't meet them through Warm Showers. It was through a Facebook group. I used to have Warm Showers, but I never used it. And I think I might give it a second chance because it was an awesome experience. Here's Merritt again. And here's their dog, Penny. You know what? I'm going to draw a little treat for Penny. Here, Penny. Have a little treat. Woof, woof. And then from there, Al gave me a GPX file for the Epic 1000 bikepacking route. They were very helpful, by the way, Sheila and Al. Al was also the one who recommended I get the chain replaced. I'm not a great mechanic. And then Princeton, where I officially started the KVR. I originally said I was going to start it in Hope. That was because I had old maps, but some wise bike sages, Al, another like a YouTube guy named Just Jake, also let me know. No, this is currently the situation with the KVR, and now I'm on the KVR. This is where I currently am at the Chain Lake Recreation Site, and this is my totem right here, the dweeb frog alien thing. And now I'm not sure if I have to walk the bike because there's a problem with the cassette and the bearing. I'm assuming, I'm not a great mechanic. And I'm going to go to Picton where I can hopefully get the bike fixed. And then after Picton, I just see, I don't mind spending a little bit of time in Picton if I have to wait to get the bike fixed, because me and Roxy spent some time in Picton and we had a wonderful time, so it'd be nice to reminisce. And I'm going to take the KVR some more up around here to Midway, and I'll sort things out from there, but I will definitely let you know what happens next. Stay tuned. Good morning, everybody. I hope everybody's doing well on this wonderful day, June 26th. I'm at another BC rec site. There's some trailers here. They got all the good spots. The generators are going. I got a picnic table. Shout out to Rodger Picnic, the genius who invented picnic tables back in 1764. Little problem with the bike. I think the bearings in the cassette might be a bit loose. You push on the pedals, nothing happens. I don't really, if I have to, I'll push this thing all the way to Penticton, but it looks like it's going back to the bike shop when it gets to Penticton. I'll have a little look at the lake. Oh, by the way, I made up that whole thing about Rodger Picnic. That was, that was just a joke. Morning. Lots of bug action on the water. Little exoskeletons everywhere. The bats were out last night having a feast. Good for them. I like those little guys. They were flying all around my tent. It took some finagling, but I got it moving. But usually when you push on the pedals, nothing happens, the wheel doesn't turn. But I'm biking for now, which is good. It's a long way to Penticton. And if I push, oh boy, that is a long push. This looks like a fun recreation area. Lots of cabins, batches, campfires, campgrounds, generators, cabins, fun havens. Lots of fun at the outdoor recreation spot. Wow, this is a small picnic table. Rodger Picnic would be spinning in his grave if he saw this picnic table. It's like a picnic table for ants. It's so low, my knees are practically hitting the bottom of the table, bottom of the top of the table. I haven't really been filming too much because it takes a lot of work to get the pedals to catch onto the cassette and get it moving. A lot of times you pedal, nothing happens. But if you want to know what I've been seeing, this, and some of this, and some of this. But hey, I'm moving. I'm still putting distance behind me. I'm still heading towards Penticton, and if I gotta get off the bike and I gotta push the bike, I gotta do what I gotta do. But right now, what I gotta do is eat some yummy oatmeal with peanut butter inside. Just took a bit of a spill. Bike's okay though, tablet's okay though, GoPro's okay though, phone's okay though. Got a few nice, I think right here, a few little scrapes. What happened was, I was biking and I saw this sign. And I thought, I couldn't see what kind of owl it was on the sign. So I was like, whoa, what kind of owls they got around here? And then spill, and then I bailed. All right. Well, there might be a place to, there might be a bike shop in Summerland. So onward to Summerland. Hey cow, just let me pass. Aw. Hey, there's another cow down the road. Wow. Look at you guys. Oh, that cow is telling the other cows, hey, somebody's coming through. Hey cows. Oh, there's a little cow. There's little cows. Guys, you don't have to run away. I mean, you're way bigger than me anyways. Like, really. Okay, okay. So dramatic. Oh, they're so cute. Look at the little ones. Look at this, a map. Like, it's not as good as my map, but I guess it's okay. So I'm here, and there's where I camped out over there, Chain Lake. And I suppose I'm pretty close to Summerland. Maybe close to an A&W. Oh yeah, and a bike shop too. Yeah, I need to go to a bike shop. The official KVR trail plate looks like a bit of a hodgepodge to me. You got like you got a cowboy here. Yeehaw! Looks like a backpacker, drifter, ghost train. I already did the ghost train. I'm not doing the ghost train again. And here's some handlebars. It's a bit of a bit of a confusing mixture. But what's that over there? What is that? Oh, perfect. I need one of those. Memories of times gone by. The old KVR. Civilization. When the bike took the spill, the bearings must have got their bearings because the bike is pedaling fine now. So I think it probably won't be a problem ever again. The bike's gonna run perfectly from now on, and I'm not gonna go to a bike shop. I'm not gonna bother. Just kidding. Oh, you knew that was coming.